What's up? We are in the most beautiful city in the world, Las Vegas, and on this episode we're going to go over the top 5 best places to get a yard drink frozen margarita in Las Vegas. Let's go check it out.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane.
Coming in number 5 of the top 5 best places to get a frozen yard drink margarita, Tacos and Ritas. Coming in number 4 of the top 5 best places to get a frozen margarita yard drink, the Breeze Bar. This is located inside the Link Promenade, and the drinks are really good. The people are really friendly. Go check out Breeze Bar. Coming in number 3 of the top 5 best places to get a frozen margarita yard drink, Señor Frogs. It's located inside Treasure Island, right behind the old pirate ship show. And if you go on Groupon, you can get a really good deal on these yard drinks, and they make them decently strong. So definitely check out Treasure Island, number 3 of the top 5 best places to get a frozen margarita yard drink in Las Vegas. Coming in number 2 of the top 5 best places to get a frozen margarita in Las Vegas, Fat Tuesdays. This one is located inside Caesar's Palace Forum Shops, but there's Fat Tuesdays spread across the whole Las Vegas Strip, so make sure you check out Fat Tuesdays, and the drinks are pretty cheap in here. Number 1 of the top 5 best places to get a frozen yard drink margarita, Carlos and Charlie's. And if you come between 2 and 6, it's 2 for 1 on those yard drinks. And believe me, they make them super strong, they're super good, and the price is right. Definitely check out Carlos and Charlie's as a number 1 place to get a frozen yard drink margarita in Las Vegas.